Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lowell Walters, and this is the last in my series of videos on benefit cost reductions. I'm an attorney at Carlton Fields, and the focus of my practice is employee benefits. And in recent videos, we discussed the different ways to save costs and reduce expenses using employee benefit plans. Today, I want to focus on implementation. Now, once you know how you intend to reduce costs, it's important to stop and consider the steps that will be required to implement those decisions. I recommend your first step be a discussion with advisors and service providers. The earlier you contact them to get feedback, the better. All right? You want to know from them what they think might go wrong, whether it's on their end or overall. What are their concerns? What do they think the proper steps for implementation are? How early can they implement the changes? And what do they need from you to implement those changes? Also, you should conduct an internal assessment. All right, it should, at a minimum, it should involve reviewing your plan documents. Will plan amendments be needed to your group health plan, to your retirement plan, to one of your other policies? If a plan amendment is needed, then almost certainly a board-approved resolution will be necessary. But even if it's not a plan amendment, is the change something that requires board approval? You might need to discuss that with in-house counsel, but if it does, then you need to find out how frequently does your board meet, and that might control the timing of things. Next, consider your employees. All right. Do you use employment contracts or do you have active collective bargaining agreements? If so, review those to see if you will be in breach or if they need amending. Similarly, you need to consider what kind of employee notices you will need to issue and how you will go about doing that, and whether you are going to do it yourself or whether some of your advisors are going to do that. So this was a quick, short video, but again, just wanted to wrap things up. And once you have an idea about how you're going to cut costs, it is very important to take a moment, take a little time out, and think about how you're going to implement those ideas. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please share them. And don't hesitate to contact me with general benefit questions or suggestions for future videos. lwalters@carltonfields.com. Thank you very much.